All right, so my name's Nate Clark from Konnected, and I want to show you today the next generation of the Konnected Alarm Panel. It's not that one, it's this one. So my goal was to rethink the idea of an alarm system and integrate it with home automation to the extent where your home automation hub becomes your alarm system. And that's exactly what the Konnected Alarm Panel can do. And here I'll demonstrate basically if your home is pre-wired for an alarm system, which 20 to 30 million homes are, and you're probably not using it anymore because these alarm systems are kind of not most convenient to use, the Konnected Alarm Panel can replace the existing alarm panel, reuse all of those sensors in your home by just connecting those wires, and pair it with a smart home hub like SmartThings or Home Assistant so that you can monitor and control your home from anywhere without the monthly fees associated with having that privilege from the big name alarm providers. So quick demo here, I'm using Home Assistant and I can arm the alarm system with a tablet that I had set up and arm it. You'll hear it'll kind of do a 10-second countdown. I've shortened it to 10 seconds for this demonstration. And then once the alarm is armed, all of the logic is happening in your home automation hub. The Konnected Alarm Panel just bridges those sensors so that you can configure your alarm system any way that you want to. Now, if I open the garage door, it's going to start doing the countdown, and then the siren will start. Or in this case, I have a strobe light that will trigger the alarm. And of course, you can trigger notifications for your phone. You can have the lights come on in the house. You can have a siren or lighting, anything that you can do with your home automation platform. You can now configure with the Konnected Alarm Panel. This is also our newest product, the Konnected Alarm Panel Pro. For those that want Ethernet instead of Wi-Fi, it's got Ethernet and power over Ethernet. This supports 12 zones. Our original product supports 6 zones, but it's modular, so infinitely expandable. You simply add more modules to support as many zones as you need to. And also there's a niche of consumers who want to be able to integrate their old existing alarm panel with home automation without necessarily replacing the whole thing. And we support that use case too with our new interface module. It's an accessory to the Konnected Alarm Panel, and it allows you to tap into the sensors of your old DSC or a Demco or any brand of wired alarm system, and be able to bring all of those zones into your home automation platform, so you get all the benefits of home automation and be able to keep your existing alarm system fully functional. The new Konnected Alarm Panel is in pre-production right now. We're just getting final certification so that we can bring it to market, but they are available for pre-order at konnected.io, starting at $99. Oh, they will be on Amazon also. Yeah, of course.
Thank you for joining us here in Denver at the CEDIA Expo to check out all the latest smart home technology. You can find more information about the company we visited and their products in the information box below. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And for more smart home stories, visit appmyhome.com.
Thank you.
Thank you.